Hi y'all, this is Mattie from Mattie's Kitchen, and today I'll be making some turkey and dressing the old-fashioned way. I made it several times on my channel, but this time I want to put it out again for you. And here's the things I'll be using. I'm just about an 8-pound turkey, a small young turkey, and when I cook my turkeys, everybody like wings, so I have 4 extra wings for it, for the turkey. And I also will be making my stuffing. I'll be making my cornbread. I always use Martha White self-rising. I have buttermilk. I have a little honey gonna go in it. Eggs, sugar, oil, butter. And once I do it, I'll get back with you. Explain it as I do it. And I also, for my cornbread dressing, I have this stuffing, this cornbread stuffing, pepper rich form. I like that. It's blended very well. I'll be using that. I'll be making my stuffing from scratch, and I'll go over that again too. And here's the vegetables I'll be using. I have a yellow onion, I have a green bell pepper, I have green onions, I have an apple. I always stuff my turkey with an apple. I put inside and make it real moist. I have some fresh garlic, celery. And those are things. I also be using some cranberry sauce, probably salt and pepper, but I'll introduce them to you and once I start. Okay. I'm getting ready to season my turkey with dry seasoning. Then I'm gonna stuff it with my butter and my other vegetables. Okay, what I do is mix it in a bowl. No matter how you mix it. I just put some garlic. These are things I use. This is some garlic powder. Okay, here's some paprika. I'm just dashing it. You're gonna try to mix it even. And this is really good. This is some chicken rotisserie. Putting some of this in. I just picked this up in the store and I really enjoy it. Put some of that in there. Here's some pepper, black pepper. I'm not gonna put much salt. I might put a little salt in here, but not much. And here's some poultry seasoning. This is poultry seasoning that goes on good with turkey. Some people use sage, but I prefer poultry seasoning. So I'm gonna mix this together, and I'm gonna put some of this seasoning inside the breast. I'm gonna put some of it on the outer layer of the turkey. But if you season the breast, you're doing good. Put it in the breast. Okay. I'm gonna sprinkle it over all of this turkey, like these are wings. You don't have to, because when you don't have to do all of this, but I do because I like for mine to be seasoned really good. Put these wings in here. Season this on both sides. This is just the extra part, to have more meat. Some people like wings, and some people don't like breast. So breast is the biggest part of the turkey. So I just take and I'm gonna do all of these off camera. I'm gonna show you how to do the breast. Then I'm gonna season it off camera. The breast of the turkey, just put it down in here for which you can go. And they said this is seasoned turkey. I don't know how, but that's what they say. And it does most times. As long as you rub it in good. Okay, I'm gonna get this rubbed in. I'm gonna sprinkle the turkey, and I'm gonna get back with you. Okay, I'm gonna recap what I put in. My turkey seasoned over here. I use garlic powder, paprika, chicken rotisserie. This is poultry season, and pepper. I didn't put any salt in it. If I have to, I would do later. What I'm getting ready to do now is season my turkey with all the vegetables I called. They're yellow onion, I sliced them. They're green peppers. They're green onions, celery, and bell pepper. Those are things I use. And the most important thing for me is when I'm cooking the bacon or turkey, stuffing the dressing, I put an apple inside the cavity of the turkey as far as I can go. That's the first thing I do. Then I stick butter in them. Like some of them say, butter, got butter in them, injected, but I put my own butter in 2 pieces as far as I can go inside the turkey. And then I start with my vegetables. It don't matter how you do them. I just stick them in there, lay them on there, lay them around them, however I can put them in there. I use all these vegetables. And these vegetables that I'm using, they also gonna go into my stuffing. So I'll call them again. This is just to season the turkey. I'm gonna put some of these vegetables on top of these wings down here so they can season up too. And all this juice from they're gonna go with my stuffing. This is really good because on a turkey, stuffing, all you need is just pepper and poultry season, nothing else. And the juice, the most important thing is try to get as much juice as you can because that's what make a turkey, that's how you make your stuffing taste good. I'm getting ready to seal these with aluminum foil, double seal them. And this turkey weighed about 8 pounds. So I'm gonna take and let it cook for about 2.5 hours. I'm gonna change it. I got it 375, but I'm gonna put it on 400 to it. So until it gets hot, then I'm gonna cut it down. Okay, I'm probably gonna check this turkey for about almost 3 hours because I want it to fall off the bone. Okay, I'll get back with you. Okay, I'm getting ready to make my cornbread. And what goes in my cornbread, this is self-rising white self-rising cornbread. You don't have to add salt or baking powder. So I'm using some buttermilk. I use a little honey, butter, sugar, oil, and eggs. That's what I use in mine. And that's all you really need. First thing I'm doing, I'm gonna beat up these eggs and put them in here. No matter which form. Put these in here. It's 2 eggs. And this is about 2 cups of self-rising meal. Some honey I put in here. Put a little butter. Here. And also some sugar. It's a little sugar. And a little oil. That's all you need to make cornbread. Check my channel. I made it before. Now I'm going to put some buttermilk in here. Buttermilk goes good with cornbread. You can also use that canned carnation milk. That's up to you. Now this is my buttermilk. I don't want to pour too much in there. I pour my milk last because sometimes you can say 2 cups of meal and 2 cups of milk. But sometimes that don't work out. Just keep on pouring until you get it right. Don't pour too much at one time. When you use the self-rising, you don't have to add nothing but the other ingredients. The sugar, the oil, and the butter, honey, whatever you want to put in there. But you don't have to add salt or baking powder. It's already measure out for you. But it's taking a lot of buttermilk. I hope I have enough because I don't want to add no more type of milk in here. I love old-fashioned cornbread. I also like Jiffy Mix too. In my Jiffy Mix, I put butter and sugar in it. Okay. Almost to get it. You have it, and I'm putting it in this grease pan over here. That's be putting it in there. And cooking it till it's get done. My turkey's cooking. Everything gonna be cooked from scratch. Okay, almost got it. Don't add your milk too fast because sometimes you have too much milk. You just want this able to pour. Okay, right. Okay, I'm gonna put this in this pan. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna put this in this pan and put it in the oven. See that? That's how you want it to look. Okay, I'm gonna get back with you. This is probably gonna cook about, bread from scratch take a little longer to cook, probably about 30 minutes. The Jiffy probably take 20 minutes. This probably take about 30. Okay, I'll get back with you. Okay, I'm cut up all my onions my bell pepper, my celery. For me, celery, onion, and bell pepper is a must. I also put some garlic, fresh garlic, and some green onions. But don't, please, if you're going to make it, don't omit the bell pepper, the celery, and the onions. Yellow onion. I use a yellow onion. Okay, I'm going to let these stay in the microwave until they get soft, kind of tender. Then I'll be ready to mix when my cornbread get done, I'll be ready to mix my stuffing. Okay, get back with you. Okay, my turkey is done, so I look, and the reason it's tore up is because it fell off the bone. It's my turkey. I just, pull it off the bone, and it's so juicy and good. I didn't put much salt on it. You might could put a little tap of more salt. I didn't put no salt in mine. And here's the juice that I'll be using to make my stuffing. That's what makes good stuffing. And here's the cornbread. I broke it. The reason I didn't let y'all see it because it has to cool off. It's still kind of warm. When you put it in here, you don't want it to cook. So that's why I broke it up. But that goes in there. And here's the vegetable. I told you I sauteed them with butter. It was onion, celery, bell pepper, and green peppers and green onions. That's what I had. And I sauteed them with butter. And here's the cornbread. Classic stuffing mix, seasoned with different herbs and stuff. And I'll be using that. And black pepper and poultry season is the only thing you need to make good dressing. No add no garlic, no add none of that stuff. Poultry season and black pepper and all the things I told you to fix, and you'll be ready for Thanksgiving. So try this recipe before Thanksgiving so you can impress the ones when they come over here. So your cornbread needs to be salt, that means it's good. It has to be cool because you don't want it to burn. And you go by how much juice you got. Because I don't like, you can add poultry season to this if you want. I mean, not poultry stock, chicken stock if you want to, but I just like the juice from the turkey. See how good that is? That's the best one. I'm gonna put this, you have to be careful because if you don't want to run out of and mix it equally. So I'm going to put me some crumbs in here now. In fact, I'm going to put some of these vegetables in here. I love a lot of vegetables in my stuffing because long time ago when people made stuffing, they probably had only cornbread, maybe butter, however they could got some cornbread, butter, and onions. That's all they probably, with the stock from the turkey or whatever they cooked. That's all they probably had. And I'm going to put some breadcrumbs in here now. And you just going to mix it like you're doing it fell out. A lot of them fell out. But you're probably going to mix it like you do a lasagna. Just spread it across. How you spread it equally. And you want to, like I said, you want to keep all of your juice. Now I'm going to put a little pepper and poultry season in it. See, it's looking like stuffing already. It's something. Stuffing is the easiest thing in the world to cook. Just get your food seasoned good. Look how good that turkey look over there. That turkey looks good. It's tender and it's crisp. Okay, I'm gonna put some of this. Now this is butter. Put a little of this butter so I can. The reason I'm doing this, I want to spread my. I want to make a lot of dressing because everybody likes my dressing, and I want to make a lot of it. So that's why I'm using that. How y'all doing out there? The last video, like I said, 6 in my family. They doing pretty good. They kind of healthy. I hadn't did my flowers. They weren't the best because I hadn't been working on them, but they're still here. Most people don't have flowers in September. Y'all check them out anyway. Give me some views for all the hard work that I do. I appreciate y'all. Okay, I'm going to put some more, what I can put in here. Now I'm going to put a little bit more cornbread in here because it is called cornbread stuffing. You got to let it be, you don't want it to be so, you don't want it to be too wet and you don't want it to be too dry. I'm going to season it up with pepper. Put some pepper here. Like I said, pepper, plenty pepper, and poultry season. See how good they're making it look already? Stuffing is so simple, y'all. Do this for Thanksgiving. Don't put no meat in this sausage. If you're going to put some meat in there, then put some poultry seasoning. And you taste it too. You have to taste it. Some more vegetables. I love my vegetables when they cook in there too. Some you can, if you want to, you can make your cornbread up. I mean, you can put all your vegetables in your cornbread if you want to. I never tried it like that, but I know you can do that. Okay, I gotta taste it. Put some more breadcrumbs in there. It's looking like stuffing. And then let it cook in the oven until it gets brown and soft in the middle, brown on the top. Okay. Let's see if I put a little bit more cornbread. So I didn't have to use no stock, chicken stock, because that'll mess it up. Now this is about right. I'm going to taste it. I know I need a little bit more pepper and poultry seasoning. I'm going to taste it and I'm going to get back with you. Okay, almost ready. I'm getting ready to put it in the oven. It is so good. And there's a turkey on there. I'm going to cover it. And once it brown, it'll brown with it being covered. Put it on about 400. And once it brown real good, I'm going to take it out and it'll be ready to serve. Let me taste. This is so good. I tasted it off camera. I'm going to taste it again. Good to go. Okay. Thank you all for tuning in to my presentation of my turkey and stuffing with my turkey wings. Also on the side, I had some sugar snap peas with some cranberry sauce and my homemade stuffing. I'm getting you all ready for Thanksgiving. Share this with friends and family, and I hope you'll have a happy day.